Hello! We're going to show a DIY installation of solar panels today. This is super easy. You don't have to hire a real expensive firm to come and put solar panels on your roof. You can just take these things and put them on all by yourself. So today I have this 230 watt solar panel, and it has, you need to look at all these numbers. Max system voltage means you can't have more than, all your solar panels together can't have more than 600. Opens, you don't need to worry about the rest of them, I guess. 15 amps is max amps through this thing. All the diodes and stuff. But then you can just take this thing, put it on your roof, and plug in the positive and the negative to your batteries. So first thing you worry about is your safety. You need to make sure that you have a safe ladder, a safe angle against the roof, and then you take your solar panel, just put it over your shoulder, one shoulder, and one shoulder, because you want to make sure that you have one hand for the ladder. You just start climbing. Don't hit the ladder with the panel. And if it's windy, you don't want to do it. Oh. But that's okay. You can have some cracks and stuff. That doesn't matter. Just a couple. It's still real solid. These things are meant to go in hurricanes and hail, so it's okay. Next time you just gotta keep the top up. The glass in your fingers kind of hurts. Wear shoes. Sometimes going up the ladder, like pushing it up, helps. Problem with this way is you can't climb as fast. Glass in your fingers, so you gotta wear gloves probably. And just slide it right. It's okay still. See, there's no, you just don't want water to go into it. I think we got fire ants.
Can fire ants go into it?
No, we don't want fire ants in your solar panels. So this isn't that hard. You can just get it on the roof.
Why don't you just put it on the roof first, before going up the ladder?
You don't know anything.
I guess that's true.
See, that's how you do it. You can just calculate the sun angle. The sun comes up over there, goes over there. So when it's there, you don't want trees in the way. So put it over here. And now it's super simple. You got it up here. You just gotta set it there. And there, I look for like a ridge so that when I set it here, my cables can still come out. Then I can just plug those into a battery.
Batteries go on the roof?
No, I'll dangle the cables off of there, maybe put them through the window, and then
What happens if they get wet?
the cables,
Yeah.
they're waterproof.
Oh. Is the solar panel waterproof with the crack in it?
Oh yeah, it's fine. Still good. And it'll still generate lots of power. It's good. And you can see they come with these two different kinds that plug into each other. So you can put another panel here and plug that one into that one, the positive into the negative, and just string a whole bunch of them together, as long as you don't go over that 600 volts.
Isn't that only for one solar panel?
No, this one has 20 or 36 volts, remember? 37 max. So as long as you don't go over 600 volts for the whole thing, you're okay. And 15 amps. Okay, let's get the solar panels onto the roof. And I put these extensions down. See, they have the same ends. And then come in through the window. I got these, you need a way to hook the batteries to it. So you get like a battery holder. They're on Amazon. And I got all these old laptop batteries I've been saving. And you find them. You find good ones. You don't want like ones that get hot when you charge them. But just save them for other projects. And rusty, you don't want them like too rusty, but a little rusty's okay. And then you stick them in these holders. And make sure you turn it on. And close it up. And some of them are sticky. That's what happens in the charger. That's how the laptop companies package them. They're called 18650 batteries. And all these wired up. This little ridge, that means that's the positive side. And there's a ridge on the end, so you put that you would put the negative on the spring. And then you just wire, you just make the exposed ends, you can make them a little longer with a tool like this, or even like just a razor blade. Make them a little longer so that you can twist all the blacks together. That means that they're in parallel, not series. Just system are good. And, oh man, this little stand. It'll stay though once we get it in the plug. I'll show you. And then just these batteries and that solar panel, that'll power like this whole room, all the lights and plugs and stuff. Because 15 or 37 volts and 15 amps is pretty much the same as your house. Well, your house is 110 volts. Like 15 amps on the circuit, but the amps is what matters, so that's about right. Okay, and then you take these and you put the negative on the left, the positive, no, the negative on the right, and the positive on the left.